Look that question, it's looking very simple because 1 minus 5 and 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, and 1 minus 5 is equal to minus 4. So here is multiplication, so minus 4 times 4. When these numbers are multiplied, we will get a minus 16, which will be our answer. But remember that all this is incorrect. Now, I will solve it again by obeying some rule. For example, I will follow PEMDAS rule. What is PEMDAS? It is parentheses. So here is parentheses, means 5 minus 1 will be equal to 4. Then exponent, which is not included in this question. Then multiplication. So multiplication and division. But division is not in this question. So 1 minus 5 as it is. And here we will put multiplication sign. Now it's turn of multiplication because division is not included in this question. So we have 2 handle 5 times 4. So we will get 1 minus 5 times 4 will be equal to 20. So now 1 minus 20 will be equal to minus 19, which is our correct answer. In the first case, our answer was minus 16, in which we have not followed the order of operation, but in this, yes, we have followed the order of operation like PEMDAS rule or dmas rule or bodmas rule to get correct answer minus 19. Thank you for your support.